don't tax people on their first £250,000 of earned income. So currently in the UK, you pay income tax based on the amount of earnings you have that year. So regardless whether it's your first job out of school or uni, or you've been working for the last 30, 40 years, you pay the same in tax based on the earned income that year. What's happening is people with their first job are finding it really hard to save, build a nest egg, be able to put money towards deposit for a house. So they're finding it really hard to get their first step into financial security. And people who have been working for the last 30, 40 years have built up assets, benefit from the inflation of those assets as well. So what I'm suggesting is that you allow a lifetime allowance for all UK citizens where the first £250,000 they earn is tax-free, income tax-free. What this will do is give them early boost in life to set themselves up for financial security. If you've got a net worth of under £100,000, stop looking for quick fixes. One of the common problems I see is people with low amount of savings or investments typically look for quick fixes to build up their wealth. So they're not looking for long-term stable assets. What they're looking for is the next meme coin or cryptocurrency that's going to take off because they want to see astronomical returns. And I think what I've seen talking to people who've built and generated wealth is, yes, some people will generate wealth very quickly through these sort of schemes. However, what you find is that the 5% that do well talk about it a lot. And then there's probably another 5% of people that do okay out of it and still talk about it a lot. But the 90% of people will lose money on these schemes and will never talk about it. And that's why you don't hear from them. The most surefire way to build wealth, my belief, is that the best thing to do at that stage in your life is to focus on your skill set. Invest in yourself, upskill yourself to be able to earn more, because you're not going to invest your way to £100,000. You're not going to build wealth through the next meme coin. What will get you and generate you that cash is your skill set and your earning potential. So invest in a skill set that is in demand, that you can work and earn from. Maybe work side gig, maybe take an additional weekend job, but focus on earning that first £100,000 and expanding your skill set so you can then demand more money for your time. Once you get beyond £100,000, that's when you should really focus on investing.